Are you looking for a sponge puff for your makeup, for your liquid concealer and your liquid foundation? Look how amazing this from the Momo workshop makeup sponge puff. It has dual sides, which is this side and this side, and you can puff your makeup with it, and also you can use the powder, baking powder, to bake your makeup. So today I'm going to use my liquid concealer to show you, to demonstrate how this is an amazing concealer puff. So look at this. Usually I just like use it with my spread it with my finger. Look at this. And look at this. Do you see what I see? Look at the spreading. Look at the spreading, how amazing. Look at this. Look. Wow, I am so in love. Let's do the other eye. I'm so in love. I'm always like in a hunt for amazing and really nice makeup tools, because they really do help. So instead of just using your fingers, you can just use those tools. They help a lot. Look at this. Wow. And I believe you can also use it for foundation, for spreading your foundation. Oh wow, it did not suck the concealer. The opposite, it spread it so evenly under my eyes, which is just perfect. I really love it. Highly recommend it. I hope you like it too. Cheers.